Hello students, I hope you all are fit and fine and doing very well in your studies. Dear students, so let's start our today's science class. In last video, we had already discussed about acid bases. In this video, we are going to read about salts. So today we will discuss about neutralization reaction and its importance in our daily life. So let's start our today's science class.
So let's continue our chapter acids, bases and salts. And our today's topic is neutralization reaction. So let's begin our class. So students, let's talk about neutralization reaction. What is the meaning of neutralization? Neutralization means to compensate something. Neutralization का मतलब होता है compensate करना. For example, अगर कोई बिजनेसमैन है और उसको बिजनेस में 100 रुपीज़ का लॉस हुआ है तो व्हाट ही विल डू, डेफिनेटली ही डू समथिंग टू मेक अप दैट लॉस. उस कमी को पूरा करने के लिए वो पूरा मेहनत करेगा. इन द सेम वे इन न्यूट्रलाइजेशन रिएक्शन द इफेक्ट ऑफ वन ऑब्जेक्ट get neutralized by the effect of another object. So, in neutralization reaction, acid and bases, they always neutralize the effect of each other. So, when a solution of an acid is mixed with the solution of a base, both of them neutralize each other and a third substance called salt is formed. This process is called neutralization or neutralization reaction. So student, जब भी एसिड और बेस दोनों एक साथ रिएक्ट करते हैं तो मिलता क्या है? सॉल्ट एंड ऑल्सो वी विल गेट वाटर. सो दिस इज न्यूट्रलाइजेशन रिएक्शन. और न्यूट्रलाइजेशन रिएक्शन में होता क्या है? एसिड एंड बेसिस दे ऑलवेज न्यूट्रलाइज द इफेक्ट ऑफ ईच अदर. दोनों मतलब वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट बैलेंसिंग. तो एसिड और बेस दोनों क्या करते हैं? एक दूसरे को न्यूट्रलाइज करते हैं. जो उनका इफ़ेक्ट होता है वो दोनों एक दूसरे को न्यूट्रलाइज करते हैं. सो दिस इज़ न्यूट्रलाइजेशन रिएक्शन. लेट्स सी सम मोर एग्जाम्पल. So students, let's talk about some more example of neutralization which help you to understand that how acid and bases, they always neutralize the effect of each other. So in case of turmeric indicator, we have read that turmeric is of yellow color. It turns into red when dipped into basic solution and turmeric does not change its color in acidic solution. तो हमने पढ़ा था कि अगर हम टर्मरिक के स्ट्रिप को बेसिक सॉल्यूशन में डिप करते हैं तो उसका कलर रेड हो जाएगा. So yellow color changes into red. But when the same strip, if you dipped in acidic solution, so it colors again remain yellow. मतलब कि एसिडिक सॉल्यूशन के साथ टर्मरिक का कलर चेंज नहीं होता है. तो बेसिक सॉल्यूशन में टर्मरिक स्ट्रिप का कलर रेड हो जाता है और फिर उसी टर्मरिक स्ट्रिप को जब हम दोबारा से एसिडिक सॉल्यूशन में डालेंगे तो उसका कलर क्या हो जाता है? येलो ही रहता है. सो इट शोज दैट व्हाट द चेंज इज बीइंग न्यूट्रलाइज्ड. सो आई होप इट इज़ क्लियर टू यू दैट in this way acid and bases, they always neutralize the effect of each other. So let's see some more example in case of blue and red litmus paper. तो हमने पढ़ा था कि जब भी ब्लू लिटमस पेपर को हम एसिडिक सॉल्यूशन में डिप करते हैं तो इट्स कलर चेंजेस टू रेड. और अगर ब्लू लिटमस पेपर को बेसिक सॉल्यूशन में डालेंगे तो इट कलर्स रिमेन ब्लू. यू सी हियर in acidic solution what happen when blue litmus is dipped, its color changes to red, and when in basic solution we put blue litmus paper, its color remain blue. So these are some instances which clearly tells you that acid and bases, they always neutralize the effect of each other. So now students, let's talk about what is neutralization reaction, and it is also clear to you that reaction between an acid and a base is known as neutralization reaction. And what product we obtained? We obtained salt, water, and during this neutralization reaction, heat energy is also released. So students, salt formed because of neutralization reaction may be acidic or basic in nature. So it means that salt is a general term used for the substances that are formed when an acid and base react with each other. And this reaction is called neutralization reaction. So students, let's see the example which is given on the screen. That is, hydrochloric acid when react with sodium hydroxide, it gives NaCl, that is common salt. Also we will get water and heat is also released. तो जो Na है, it means that you can see the reaction. HCl means what? Hydrochloric acid. When it's react with sodium hydroxide, that is base. तो Na, it combines with Cl and we will get NaCl. Again we will get water also, and heat energy is released during this process. Now, acidic or basic nature of salt depends on the strength of acid and base. So students, salt can be acidic, basic or neutral. तो salt जो obtained होता है वो acidic भी होता है, basic भी होता है और वो neutral भी होता है. But it's depend upon acidic salts are formed when strong acid react with weak base. तो salt का nature acidic कब होगा? When a strong acid react with a weak base. Basic salts are formed when a strong base react with a weak acid. And when a strong acid react with a strong base, we will always get what? Neutral salts. It means that when a strong acid react with a strong base, neutral salts are formed. Now students, you see that in a neutralization reaction, heat is evolved. It means that heat is released. So it is exothermic reaction. Neutralization reaction is an exothermic reaction. Why it is exothermic reaction? Because heat is released during this process. So exothermic reaction is a chemical reaction that involves the release of energy in the form of heat or light. तो न्यूट्रलाइजेशन रिएक्शन को हम क्या बोलेंगे? इट इज़ अ एक्सोथर्मिक रिएक्शन. आप स्क्रीन पे देख भी सकते हैं कि जब हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड सोडियम हाइड्रोक्साइड के साथ रिएक्ट कर रहा है तो हमें क्या क्या मिला? सोडियम क्लोराइड मिला, वाटर मिला, एंड हीट इज़ ऑल्सो रिलीज ड्यूरिंग दिस प्रोसेस और हीट इज़ इवॉल्व्ड ड्यूरिंग दिस प्रोसेस. तो ऐसे रिएक्शन को हम क्या कहते हैं? एक्सोथर्मिक रिएक्शन. और क्यों कहते हैं? बिकॉज that reaction involves the release of energy in the form of heat or light. Now this is exothermic reaction. So we have endothermic reaction also. So now endothermic reaction is a reaction in which energy is absorbed are called endothermic reaction. It means that an endothermic process absorb heat and cools the surrounding. For example, we have melting of ice cubes, evaporating liquid water. तो जब भी हम वाटर को हीट करते हैं तो क्या होता है? इट राइजेज इन वेपर एंड व्हेन इट कूल्स डाउन इट अगेन बिकम ड्रॉप्स ऑफ वाटर. सो melting of ice cubes, evaporating liquid water, all these are example of endothermic reaction. Let's talk about some more example of neutralization reaction. When sulfuric acid react with sodium hydroxide, it gives sodium sulfate and water. When hydrochloric acid react with potassium hydroxide, it gives potassium chloride and water. When nitric acid react with potassium hydroxide, it gives potassium nitrate and water. So these are examples of neutralization reaction. So students, let's talk about neutralization in everyday life. The process of neutralization play very important role in our daily life. Some of its application, we will talk about them. So indization means when there is increased acidity inside our stomach. So you know that our stomach releases hydrochloric acid to kill bacteria, as well as this hydrochloric acid, it enables enzyme pepsin which help in digestion. So whenever production of more hydrochloric acid in the stomach, it causes indigestion. This condition called acidity, and when acidity, it can be painful and causes pain burning sensation in the stomach. बहुत ही जलन हमें फील होता है. So such a condition we call acidity. To get rid of this, any antacid tablets we will take. अब ये antacid tablets क्या होता है? तो antacid tablets are those tablets which consist of or contain basic solutions like magnesium hydroxide or aluminum hydroxide. So, to get rid of this, any antacid such as milk of magnesia, a base, is taken. Milk of magnesia, being a base, contain magnesium hydroxide, neutralizes the effect of hydrochloric acid and gives release from acidity. So it means that even inside our body, we have acid and bases are working for proper functioning of our body. So let's talk about what happens when ant or bee bite us. An ant or a bee inject formic acid, that is also called methanoic acid, into our skin while biting. Injection of acid by ant or bee result in pain at that place. That part of his skin become red and swells also. Rubbing baking soda over the skin gives relief from pain due to ant or bee sting. तो उस प्लेस पे जहाँ पे आंट या बी ने बाइट किया है, अगर हम बेकिंग सोडा, मॉइस्ट बेकिंग सोडा रब करते हैं, तो मॉइस्ट बेकिंग सोडा क्या होता है? बेकिंग सोडा विथ वाटर मॉलिक्यूल्स, विथ सम वाटर मॉलिक्यूल्स, तो उसको हम क्या कहते हैं? मॉइस्ट बेकिंग सोडा, दैट इज NaHCO3. So, by rubbing baking soda over the skin gives relief from pain due to ant or bee sting. Baking soda, which is a base, neutralizes the effect of acid injected by the bee or ant. Another base such as zinc carbonate, that is calamine solution, is also used in case of ant or bee sting. So now let's talk about soil treatment. Sometimes soil becomes too acidic or basic due to excess use of fertilizer or wrong method of harvesting. Acidic or basic nature of soil affects the yield as plants do not grow properly in such soils. So if the soil is extreme acidic, we treat with bases like calcium oxide or calcium hydroxide. And if the soil is too basic, we will treat with fertilizers or organic matters. So, fertilizers are chemicals, you know that very well. So, if the soil is too much basic, we will treat with fertilizers or organic matter which release acid to the soil, and in this way effect is neutralizes. So, acidic soil is treated with slaked lime or quick lime. Slaked lime, that is calcium hydroxide, and quick lime is calcium oxide, are basic in nature. Use of slaked lime or quick lime neutralizes the acidic nature of soil. Let's talk about factory wastes. Wastes of most of the factories are highly acidic. तो जो फैक्ट्रीज़ के डिस्चार्ज होते हैं, वेस्ट होते हैं, वो बहुत ही एसिडिक होते हैं, हाईली एसिडिक होते हैं. इफ़ सच एसिडिक वेस्टेज आर discharged into rivers or flows into rivers or other water bodies, acid present in them will damage the aquatic organism and pollute the water. तो इस तरीके के एसिडिक वेस्ट को अगर फैक्ट्री से डायरेक्ट रिवर्स में या किसी और वाटर बॉडी में डिस्चार्ज कर दिया जाए, बहा दिया जाए, तो डेफिनेटली इट cause damage to aquatic organism as well as it leads to water pollution also. Thus, factory wastes are treated with basic substances to neutralize the effect of acid present in them before being discharged into the water bodies. तो एसिड डिस्चार्ज को, जो हाईली एसिडिक है, उसको रिवर में फ्लो करने के पहले उसको ट्रीट करना चाहिए और उसको बेस के साथ ट्रीट करना चाहिए ताकि उसका इफ़ेक्ट क्या हो जाए, न्यूट्रलाइज हो जाए एंड देन ओनली इट डिस्चार्ज इनटू वाटर बॉडीज. सो दिस इज द इम्पॉर्टेंस ऑफ न्यूट्रलाइजेशन रिएक्शन इन आवर डेली लाइफ. सो स्टूडेंट्स, today we have completed our chapter number 5, that is acid, bases and salts. I hope all the topics is clear to you. So that's all for today's class. In next video we will start the next chapter. Now student, your homework is that you have to make notes of this chapter as well as you have to complete question and answers of this lesson and send me in group. Draw all the diagrams which is required in this chapter. So I hope chapter is clear to you. If you have any doubt regarding this chapter, you can call me or you can write in group also. So keep smiling, stay home, stay healthy, use mask and sanitizer and keep yourself free from infection. Thanks for watching this video.